Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming identity. Have your SSS ID, UMID, or Social Security number at hand because the system verifies you before edits. Once logged into My SSS or the SSS mobile app, navigate to your profile immediately. This is where contact details live. Make sure to use the same email registered previously so authentication codes reach you. Start the change now to avoid interruptions in notification delivery. Doing this first saves repeated verification steps later when you submit the update. You proceed to Profile, then Contact Details, and tap Edit next to mobile number to change it. Enter the new digits carefully, typo stall verification, then request the OTP or confirmation code. SSS sends it to your registered email or old mobile depending on settings. Once you receive the code, input it exactly and submit. This verifies ownership and links the new number. Make sure to save changes and copy the transaction ID for reference, because that evidence speeds any follow-up if updates don't appear. You finish by confirming the profile reflects the new number and noting the confirmation timestamp so you know the update went through. If you don't get an OTP, wait 5 minutes then retry. Also check your email spam folder and verify your carrier isn't blocking short codes. If problems persist, contact the SSS hotline or go to a branch with your ID and the transaction ID you saved. They can manually verify and complete the change to prevent missed benefits notices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.